Okay, we're all set. I think this should do it for tonight. Very peaceful here. Wonder if there's any bears. I'm sure there are bears. If they come knocking, then we'll make sure to put it on film as well. But as you can see, the water is very calm. And again, very surprising with all the rain that they had here. But as I mentioned before, most of the rain fell in Georgia and not here. They're supposed to get some thunderstorms later tonight, so I guess we'll see what happens. I think it's time for a drink and some snacks. Just listen to nothing. So this is my view, sitting down in my chair finally with a, gosh, what is it? It's Smirnoff Ice. Never had this before, but it's a screwdriver, so might come in handy in case something breaks. It's incredibly humid out here. It's 9 o'clock Eastern, so 8 o'clock Central. It's getting a little bit dark, but I'm sweating like there's no tomorrow. It's not all that hot, but it's just very humid, so this Smirnoff Ice comes in handy. One down, 5 to go. Okay, it is now 8:45 Eastern, which is it's only 7:45, which seems early, so I'm not sure if that's right. But it's a clear sky. Moon, not sure if you can see that, but absolutely clear sky. So weather forecast is wrong, or it has been wrong, will be wrong, at least for now. It's supposed to get rain, but it doesn't look like it. So I'm on my I am on my third screwdriver. It's kind of lonely out here. I have no cell phone service, so I send a text message via Setcom. So I think I posted it on Facebook. I'm just not sure if it actually gets on Facebook, but I sent a message to my hot young wife that I'm okay, that I made it, so she doesn't have to worry about me, so she can party on with Leslie and the girls. And I'm just sitting here. So got 3 more screwdrivers to go before I hit the sack, unless it starts pouring rain, which it doesn't look like. So far so good. Alright, so according to my watch, it is 21:38. By the way, this is a Garmin Fenix 5X, thanks to my friends at Garmin. I also have the Garmin Verb 360, as well as a Garmin Explorer. So I'm a Garmin fanboy. But it's 21:39. I think it's later than that. This must be Central Time. This is number 6, by the way. Feels like I'm laying on the beach. It's extremely relaxing. The only noise I hear are those cicadas and frogs. I'm ready to go to bed, but I gotta finish this last ice screwdriver. Number 6, so I will sleep like a baby. Well, good morning. It's 5:23 local time. And he's waking up. Rough night. Looks like ATV traffic runs 24/7 through Cove. So didn't sleep a lot. Some car came by. I think it was a car really. Around 4 o'clock, and they got stuck. So I'm sure that I will see them on the way out. No mosquitoes, which is great. But it's time to get up and get going.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to a place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Old country roads, all my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue waters, dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye.
park it anywhere.
I know where we are.
You can park it over here.
Is valet parking?
Huh?
Valet parking?
Valet park. Yeah, it's going to cost you though. All right, we're now at the ship cave, exploring. There's Shane, wounded. Gonna make it? Nothing broken though, right?
No.
Okay. Did you hit it on?
Feels good.
Cut it on a rock or?
Yeah, slid off and then hit a rock up here and then.
Okay. All right.
No biggie.
I got some.
Feels good,
I think I got some.
Yeah, I got some. too. I brought
Neosporin.
some.
Okay. Don't get lost in there. Yeah, it feels like you're going to tip over. Just go this way. Yep, you're fine. As always, making it look easy.
Right, but you're a little bit too far this way on the wheel. There you go. You can get up it now this way. A little bit, just a little bit. There you go. You're right along it right now. Just a little bit. There you go. This way.
All right, I think I got it.
Buddy riding with him said this is his first WTF.
Oh, yeah. This is. If you look at it, you say, "Oh my God." Yeah, okay, I'll just straight. No. Yep, slow. Go slow. Okay. Oh, yep. Yep. Straight. You got it. Woohoo. Yeah, perfect. Yep, go. Yeah, it's the same thing you did.
Yeah, you went right over it, perfect.
Well, that's not good.
What's that?
There's an abandoned, broken down razor blocking the trail. Both front tires are missing.
Probably gonna have to hook to it and drag it out of the way. Maybe we can just move it by hand, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get out and see what can be done. Let me tell you, that was perfect timing for us.
Yeah, you got that right. That's coming up that one spot with that red looking dirt. Well, that'd be some kind of slip right now.
Well, we're not out of the woods yet.
Now it's getting split.
me home.